Here we are making chakka halwa. So this is the process. First you have to take out all the ripe fruit from the jackfruit, de-seed them, and you take it out and pressure cook it for one whistle with little water. So this is the process that is going on. It is a very tedious process, but it is very tasty. Chakka varatiyad or chakka halwa, and you can store it in the fridge for more than over a year. So here I am putting all these fresh just de-seeded fruits into the cooker. I have around 1 kg 400 grams. So I'll pour little water into it and pressure cook it for just one whistle. Maybe half a glass of water and pressure cook it for just one whistle. So here I've cooked the jackfruit and I poured only half a cup of water, but since the fruit has lot of moisture in it, see, you can see how much of water is there. All this has to be dried up. Now I am taken for nearly 1 kg and 400 grams of fruit. I have taken 1 kg of jaggery. I poured little water into it and I am going to cook it, melt it and strain it so that all the impurities are removed. 1 kg jaggery which I had taken, I have boiled it with little water, melted it and now strained it. These are the impurities which has to be removed, and then I will cook the jaggery and the boiled jackfruit. Cooked jackfruit and the melted jaggery has been added into the non-stick pan, and it is now around 40 minutes since I've been cooking this. I've been continuously stirring it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, though it is a non-stick pan, and it will take another 1.5 to 2 hours for it to form into an halwa. Now I'm adding ghee to it. As it solidifies, you need to add ghee so that it cooks well and it doesn't stick. Since there is jaggery in it, it starts sticking. Though it is a non-stick pan, it starts sticking to the sides of the pan. So you need to add ghee to it. I've added ghee and the process will keep continuing. Now my chakka varatiyad or jackfruit halwa is all ready after 2.5 hours of tedious cooking. Now this is around 1.4 kgs, the final product, and I'm going to store them into these. So I'm going to fill these small plastic containers and store them in the fridge. It will stay for more than a year. We can make jackfruit payasam or chakka ada, or otherwise we can just eat it as a sweet dish. Please do like, share and subscribe, and do try it.